Sentence, phrase, and clause. Sentence. A sentence is a group of words, which contains a subject and a predicate. For example, the king sat on a throne of gold. Here king is a subject, and sat on a throne of gold is a predicate. Phrase. Sentence that contains smaller groups of words, none of which make complete sense, and none of which contain a subject and a predicate are called phrases. For example, here of gold is a phrase. And clause. If two sentences that make complete sense individually are joined together, they are called a clause. For example, the king sat on a throne, the throne was made of gold. If we join these two sentences, the king sat on a throne of gold, the throne was made of gold, it becomes a part of a larger sentence, so we don't call them sentence any longer. We call them clauses.